Okay, the only issue I had with my car when I bought I bought new phone for the passenger seat, yeah, which always looked better. So I went ahead and bought new phone for the driver, which already had the back, everything, but I didn't buy the padded, and I was gonna change it out, but I'm having a little bit of issue. Yeah, you gonna let me do this or what? Huh? You have all the time in the world to sit in the seat, and you gonna sit there and don't ignore me. Why you ignore me? I see your ears swept back. You hear me talking to you? Sushi. Sushi, don't ignore me. You're ignoring me, Sushi. Oh, don't you put your nose in the air. Don't you do it. Hey. Hey. Sushi. Baby Sushi. I'm talking to you. Are you gonna get up so I can do this? Huh? I'm gonna need the seat right there and get the seat. Oh, don't come over here. Don't act like you. I know, okay? Go get out the way. I know, it's on the phone. You just give it. Say hey to everybody. Hey. I know. Okay, you gonna let me have the seat? I thank you so much. Hey, don't sit down. Okay, here's the flaw with these seats. I don't know why, which you could fix them. You see the wires that cut through? And this is actually, I think this is one of my brand new pads. And I didn't put, there is a fix to this that you could put a mat right there. I've seen it do that before. And that's actually what I'm gonna do to the new one, put it in there. This one, you got a Phillips here, and you're gonna have a Phillips here. You can see it's dirty, and you shouldn't have to take all your hog nose clips off. You can leave them. It's untie, depending on what. Well, even this is the custom seat, so you just untie it, and the front will fold off. I'll show it to you. Okay, you just see it starting to come on up, just like that. And you can take this off. Y'all see where we're getting at. Take your foam out, slip your other foam in there. So, anyways, but that's the frame. We're gonna tell y'all what's wrong with the eBay seats. This right here. Y'all want to waste your money on eBay stuff? Hey, I did it. Thought it was perfect. They just don't build them. You're gonna pay a little bit more money for the regular GM, but it's worth it. Okay. Here is the pads I'm using. And this is just cardboard pads. You can see it's got a little cardboard in it, covered with some felt. And I use the bull clips to clip them down. This will keep anything from cutting through. You can double this up, triple it up, whatever you want to do. Just all you really have to do is put it on the wires to keep it from cutting through. So, some hog clips, which this is for upholstery. And clip it down there. There you go. And that's it, and go around. It doesn't matter if the little gap there, it's fine. But get it level, make it look good, because your pad's going to be on top of this. Remember, your two side pieces are going to go here, so just be cautious what you do. But you can do it anyway. There's not any right or wrong way. So